to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal, and today I am going to trading my Neon Turtle, try to get a first dragon or something better, and I'm gonna try a lot because I need last first dragon to making the Neon first dragon. So I hope that I get the last first dragon in this video. Okay, so a unicorn, a dragon, a kangaroo, ghost bunny, the neon slot, the woolly mama Rai, and the bad one, and a rainbow stroller, and a rocket stroller. I don't think it's a fair trade. Let me try the girls that she trading the 4 of the pets. Ooh, they're only Rai, yeah. But I guess it's fine for me. She want me to add maybe. What should I add? A unicorn? That's not what I have to add. Maybe? True, right? You want it? Her pet is not even fly, just ride. Wait, is she actually going to skip this trade? Because Scarex will be going to be rare though. Yeah, I guess I have to skip this trade right now. I have to make 2 neon Scarex. Because Scarex is going to be leaving game soon, so she skipped it. Oh my god, thank you. Aw, and I have 8 Scarex. What about I try to making a mega Scarex in a top me? This is pretty interesting, right? Yeah. But I lost my unicorn. My unicorn. Oh, she actually get it. Because Neon Turtle is not fair for anything good else. So, well, I guess I have to try to get a Scarex to trade for any good monster. Scarex we're going to be devoid the first rank card. Because it's going to be leaving the game too faster. And it's way more than you need the turtle. Yeah, I guess she's find a trade, right? I have to find some more trade for my pets. Also, I have to get the first. I have to try to get the Shadow Dragon. Yeah, I actually need the Shadow Dragon so much. So I have to get the Shadow Dragon between these. Yeah, exactly. Actually, how can I get a last first dragon in this video? No one trade me. And I already tricked this guy. This Zori is too rich. Twins, huh? She's not a twin. She has a giraffe with her smile faces. That face is like someone doing it. I don't know anyways. I'ma try on the Neon Queen Bee. Neon Queen Bee is worth more than the... Neon Queen Bee is worth a Neon Turtle, Neon Kangaroo, everything. They win the Bad Legend, also win the first dragon too. So I guess I have to get the Neon Queen Bee, cause Neon Queen Bee is fair for the first dragon. Let me check this guy. Hey, I'm supposed to talk to you. Yo, her name is Shark Boy Rabbit. He AFK maybe? We have to see some more obstacles. We didn't get any. We just did escape 1. We have to escape more. Who has Mega Uni? This guy actually have a Neon Kangaroo. And don't kick me, please. I want that pink cat. It looks so adorable, right? The pink cat is so adorable. I'ma trade the T-Rex for a pink cat. Aww. Please, if you're going to escape the streets. I love pink cats. It's a cat. It's a pretty cat. I think she's... Aww, she doesn't want it. Oh gosh. No, yes or no? Let me try and trade the Chris YT2. I think he's in trade. Yeah. Me. I'm gonna set me. Oh, wait a minute. I don't wanna go to the game yet. I still trading. Okay, so I think it's going to end. Why only 2? This under, sorry. Why only 2? That's under. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the another. This is a monsters. I'm Spanish. Well, I'm not Spanish. Well, I'm not Spanish. Same. Ed, what? She talking cringe though. Huh? Yo, then how can he speaking English if he a Spanish? With I forget the Spanish can speak English. Sorry. Still very under. Still very under. Still very under. Let's see some more officer for it. Oh, she has a nice one. The guy didn't trade me. Did you drink something cool? Tell me, please. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, onion cow, asparagus, hot pork, a candy. Oh my god, sorry, no. It's not a fair trade. That is a neon, nobody might think pet is a neon parrot. This guy tried to get a neon fruit because this guy's name is a neon parrot. Anyone have observed this? Why is so quiet? I don't know how it's too quiet, but anyways. Obis is already intrigued. Let me try on someone else. Ooh, a neon king monkey. Okay, try to go to the trading state. Let's trade our neon. Put some legend pet. Put a neon ninja monkey. Oh, yeah, he doesn't want it. Okay, so I think I have to go to the another servers, or I have to trade my neon crows. There you are. I think if I trade a neon crow, trade for a 2 first dragon with the good ad. Yeah, because I get them and I still have the froze. I try to get more and more. Give me some more and more. But I think right now I don't need to trade my I have to trade it for something good. That's what I have to do. Anyone have a trade for this? I'm gonna start trading Neon Crow. What about a try Neon Crow with a very smart one? Wow, it's mean that you're the smartest in the world. Okay, so that's not a fair trade. It's very under trade in the world. Okay guys, so make sure that you guys click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. So actually we trade one of our turtles already. We actually trade for the 4 skeletons, and I hope that 4 can trade for first dragon, but they have to add. Maybe I have to trade when the Halloween event ends. It will be so rare. Why I'm too smart on this? Let me try to trade on the butterfly girl. So I add the neon dragon. with a albino monkey with a. Oh, why? Please, God. Please, God, no. Oh my God, a neon bad dragon. It's kind of my favorite. Oh, it has a two neon bad dragon. A giraffe, please, I can't. OMG, war dogs. But someone just nearly tricked me. Let me see the observe. Okay, so I put the Necro. Okay, a Scarex. Okay, you know they can get for first dragon. Okay. That's all? Oh, sorry about it. I have to try on the girl with the bad dragon. So maybe we should try on her cool pet. No, I mean I still add some more. The huge wait, what? No, it's still a fair trade. You didn't even know what I am eating about. But actually there's someone still trading me. Is that fair for us Scarexes? For Scarex. Ooh. Everyone, please. This is not as you guys think. Or maybe I try to making a mega. Oh, but someone just check me first. I just think that what if I try to making a mega dragon in a top me? I know that everyone have a lot of mega dragon, mega dog, mega cat, yeah. And it looks so adorable, but I treat my mega dog. And I didn't even see my birthday friend is playing right now. I thought I can give him a prize, but he's not in the game. I don't know why. Please tell me why. Anyways, I thought we can get officer like this Wendy. So you can trade your neon turtle for something good as you guys want. And also, if you guys enjoying this video, wanna see more videos that you guys wanna see, you guys wanna watch, make sure to click the subscribe button and like button if you guys enjoy my video and wanna see more. So I see you guys in the next video. Bye, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. Okay, so Snowglow, talk something. Okay. Make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and next one, I'm going to dance you guys. Okay. I'm gonna dance. Yeah. Blah 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 blah. So make sure to subscribe. So bye.